Riwruok mar jofwamb weche tuke pachoka SJAK omiyo Beatrice Chebet mich mar jatugo masulwe mar dwe mar 8 nyasi mano otaya apise mag riwruogno buore Nairobi. Chebet oyudo mich makama bang' bedo gi tugo maber e piem mag Olympics mano bagi boma Paris kama noloyo midila 2 mag goldi e ng'we mag mita 5,000 gi 10,000. Ma en mich mar 5 ne Chebet e michgi mag jatugo masulwe tend jofwambo tuke no bedo gi pek mar yiero jaloch e kind Chebet gi Faith Kipyegon ma bende no bedo gi piem makare tuke mag Olympics ka achiel gi Diamond League.
Today I just want to say the season have been good. The 2024 season have been good for me. It was amazing here after World Cross Country until now winning a Diamond League trophy. And being a debutant in Olympic and winning 2 gold medals, 5,000 and 10,000.
But I'm very, very proud of you. Since I still remember on August actually when we are awarding you, and then on her awards actually, she will say she will give her best chance to win on, and then showing good performance on Olympics, and then actually she really kept her word. I'm very, very proud of you. Very, very thankful for it.